One of the strongest features of Microsoft Excel is that it allows users to calculate numerical information using formulas. Just like a calculator, Excel can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Naturally, it can do a lot more than a calculator. In this lesson, we will learn how to create Excel formulas. It's a pretty straightforward task. We have to select the cell where we would like to create a formula. In this case, it will be D9. We already know how to activate the Edit Cell mode. We have to click F2. Every time when I want to start a formula, I have to use the equals or plus sign. There isn't any difference between the two of them. I'm accustomed to typing equal. Now Excel knows that we have started writing a formula. There are two main ways to include numbers in a formula. The first one is to type them directly here in the formula bar. For example, 7 plus 9. Excel then calculates the result of the formula, which is 16. The other way to include arguments in a formula is to use references within the sheet. As in this case, I have the two numbers 7 and 9 in the two cells above D7 and D8. We need a way that will allow us to point at these cells. When you are in edit mode, you can use the arrow keys or the mouse in order to select cells within the spreadsheet. Then, once you have selected a cell that you need, you can use the plus operator, which will allow me to select the next part of the formula. In this case, it is the cell D8. The big advantage of using cell references is that other users will be able to understand the reasoning behind your operations. You can always combine hard input in the form of numbers with cell references. There is no problem doing that. The typical math operators that you will need in Excel are the usual ones: plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, / for division, caret for degree elevation. Not forgetting parentheses in order to denote a modification to the usual order of operations. This is it for now. Next, we will cover a very interesting tool that can be added in Excel formulas: functions.